Hello students, in this lecture we see the distance of the point from the plane. In the last lecture we see the distance of the origin from the plane. Okay, here see carefully, it is the equation of plane r bar dot n bar is equal to d. It is the equation of any plane. Then it is a d is a not a distance of a plane from origin. Okay, when the normal is a unit normal, that means we divided by the magnitude of n bar, then it is a d upon magnitude of n bar. Then it is r bar dot n cap. When it is a unit normal, then this scalar we denoted by the p. Okay, here it is p. Okay, this scalar, that is a d upon magnitude of n bar. Okay, and it is a distance of a plane from origin. Distance of a plane from origin, it is a p. It is a not a d. Here only r bar dot n bar, it is a normal, but it is a unit normal. When the given the unit normal, then it is the distance of the plane from the origin. Suppose the plane passing through point a bar, and then the equation of plane is r bar dot n cap is equal to a bar dot n cap when it is a unit normal, and then a bar dot n bar is equal to p. It is a distance of the plane from the origin. Okay, here this is we are discussed in our last lecture. It is in the equation of plane in the normal form. Okay, now we discuss the equation of plane. Okay, it is the equation of plane r bar dot n bar is equal to d, and it is the equation of plane in a normal form. In the normal form, this p is a distance of the plane from the origin. Okay, now we see the distance of the any point from the plane. Okay, distance of any point. In this p is a distance of the origin from the plane. Now we see the distance of any point. Okay, any point in the space from this plane, and is given by this distance is given by it is mod of a bar dot n bar minus d upon magnitude of n bar. It is a magnitude of n cap. It is a distance of the point from the plane. Okay, this can be also written as here it is a bar dot n bar upon magnitude of n bar and minus d upon magnitude of n bar. Okay, and here it is a bar dot n cap minus d upon magnitude of n bar. We denote it is a p. That is a bar dot n cap minus, it is only p. Okay, a bar dot n cap minus p is a distance of the point A from the plane. It is a formula. This formula we can reduce in this. Okay, this magnitude of n bar, we separate this, then n bar upon magnitude of n bar, it is n cap, and d upon it is, we denote this is p. And here this p is a distance of the plane from the origin, and distance of the plane from the origin when it is given, when the equation of plane in a normal form, it is the equation of any plane, and it is equation of plane in a normal form. Okay, it is a d any number, but when it is a unit normal, it is a distance of the plane from origin. Okay, here see carefully. Okay, now here it is the equation of any plane. Okay, see carefully. Here the distance of a point A with position vector a bar from plane r bar dot n cap is equal to p. R bar dot n cap is equal to p. Okay, here is given by. Okay, now the equation of plane in a normal form. Okay, see carefully. We consider a plane. Here it is a plane, and the equation of plane, it is r bar dot n cap is equal to p. That means this p is a distance of the plane from the origin. Okay, we take here origin. Okay, it is O. That means distance of the plane from origin, it is p. Okay, and here it is a unit normal. Okay, consider with this unit normal. Now we take point A in the space, we can take point A here. Okay, now we can find the distance of point from this plane. That means we find this distance of a point from the plane. Okay, here we find this distance. Now it is a point in a space, in space, any point in the space. Now we consider this point contained in a plane which is parallel to this plane. Okay, here this P is the distance of this plane from the origin. Okay, this is P. Now we consider a plane containing this point and which is parallel to our given plane. Now here it is a plane parallel to the our given plane. R bar dot n cap is equal to P. Now this plane passing through point A with position vector A bar. Now it is a unit normal n cap and these planes are the parallel, therefore it is also perpendicular to this plane. Okay, now this normal we can directed by the dotted line. Okay, here it is a normal because these two planes are the parallel. Okay, now the unit normal for this plane, it is n cap. Plane passing through point, it is a bar. Therefore the equation of this plane, it is r bar dot n cap is equal to a bar dot n cap. And now r bar dot n cap, that means a bar dot n cap is the distance of this plane from the origin. That means it is the origin. Therefore this distance, it is a bar dot n cap. It is a distance. Okay, a bar dot n bar, because it is a unit normal. See carefully here, these two planes are the parallel. It is a unit normal for the both planes here. And then given the distance of the plane, distance of this given plane from the origin, it is a P. See carefully. Okay, here it is a distance of plane from origin. And now we take a new plane parallel to this plane, and then it is a bar dot n bar because plane passing through this point A. Okay, and now we find the distance of this plane from this point. That means here distance between these two planes. Okay, here distance of the point from the plane, that means distance between these two planes, and that is, see carefully, it is a normal, and this length, it is a P. Okay, see carefully here, and origin to this plane, it is a distance P, and origin to this plane, it is a distance a bar dot n bar, and therefore our required distance, see carefully here, this our required distance, it is P minus a bar dot n cap. This distance, it is a n cap, sorry, this distance, it is a bar dot n cap, and this distance, it is a P. So our required distance, it is a P minus a bar dot n cap. Okay, we take this distance in the modulus. Okay, when the equation of plane in a normal form, we can write the distance P minus a bar dot n cap. When the equation of plane in the form r bar dot n bar is equal to d, then the distance of plane, we use this formula, and this formula is also this. Okay, and both are the same, a bar dot n cap minus P, or P minus a bar dot n cap. We take the modulus, it is the distance. Okay, here it is a distance of the plane, sorry, distance of the point from the plane when plane is in the normal form. When plane is in the normal form, we take the distance of point from the plane, and when the given plane is not in the normal form, we take this formula. Okay, here now here are the two formulas for the equation of planes. Okay, here this formula for the equation of plane when plane is not given in the normal form, and this distance of a point from the plane when plane is given in the normal form. Okay, here a bar dot n bar minus d upon magnitude of n bar, and here it is a P minus a bar dot n cap. It is a P n cap, and given point it is here is the distance of the point A from the plane. This plane is the normal form, is we take P minus a bar dot n cap here, and both distances are the same. We can prove this. Okay, See carefully. When we take the equation of plane in a normal form, we use this formula P minus A bar dot N bar. It is a modulus. When the equation of plane not in the normal form, we can take this A bar dot N bar minus D upon magnitude of N bar. Okay, here to solving the problem we use any one formula. ओके, आउट ऑफ दिस टू फॉर्म्युलाज. ओके, या दोन्हीपैकी कोणताही एक यूज करा. कोणताही प्रॉब्लेम दिलेला असला, कोणतीही इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन दिलेली असली, त्याला नॉर्मल फॉर्ममध्ये रिड्यूस करा आणि हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करा. कोणताही इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन जर दिलेली असली तर त्या प्लेनला इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन इन अ नॉर्मल फॉर्म याच्यात रिड्यूस करा आणि हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करा. ओके, कार्टेशियन फॉर्ममध्ये जर इक्वेशन दिलेली असली तर हा कार्टेशियनला व्हेक्टर फॉर्ममध्ये बोर्डासाठी कार्टेशियनला व्हेक्टर फॉर्ममध्ये रिड्यूस करा आणि इक्वेशन लिहा. ओके, आता हेच कार्टेशियन फॉर्ममध्ये जर डिस्टन्स असतं तर हिअर इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन ए एक्स प्लस बी वाय प्लस सी झेड प्लस डी इज इक्वल टू 0. इट इज इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन अँड वी टेक द पॉइंट. ओके, हिअर पॉइंट इट इज ए x1 y1 and z1. then distance is ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d upon under root of a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, it is a formula in the Cartesian form. Okay, it is in the vector form, and this formula in the Cartesian form. When equation of plane, it is in the vector form, it is in the Cartesian form. Point given in the vector, here in the Cartesian form. Then this is a distance formula. A bar dot n bar, it is a bar dot n bar and it is minus d. Here d can write in the RHS, in LHS. Okay, here this, and here it is under root of a square plus b square plus c square. That means magnitude of n bar. When equation of plane is in the Cartesian form, the coefficient of x, y, z are the components of the components of the normal a, b and c. That means the normal is ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap, and that means it is the magnitude. It is a Cartesian form, it is a vector form. For the board exam we use the vector method. Okay, ओके, बोर्डातले प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करण्यासाठी काय करायचं आहे, व्हेक्टर मेथडनंच यूज करा. आणि कोणता फॉर्म्युला यूज करणार, हा फॉर्म्युला. ओके, कोणतीही इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन दिलेली असली त्याला नॉर्मल फॉर्ममध्ये रिड्यूस करा आणि नॉर्मल फॉर्ममध्ये रिड्यूस केल्यानंतर हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करून तुम्ही डिस्टन्स ऑफ द प्लेन फ्रॉम ओरिजिन काढा. ओके, हिअर बोर्डच्या एक्झामसाठी तुम्ही हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करा. बाकी मग कार्टेशियन जरी दिलेलं असलं तरी त्याला व्हेक्टर फॉर्ममध्ये कन्वर्ट करा आणि या मेथडनं सॉल्व करा. आणि ऑब्जेक्टिव्हमध्ये मग तुम्ही कार्टेशियन दिलेलं असलं डायरेक्ट हा फॉर्म्युला यूज केला तरी चालते, कार्टेशियन मेथड्स. ठीक, ऑब्जेक्टिव्हला मेथड कोणतीही वापरली तरी चालते, जे सोपी जाते ती वापरा, पण बोर्डासाठी कोणतं वापरा हे वापरा. ओके, नाव वी सी द एक्झाम्पल्स ऑन इट. ओके, हे केअरफुली पहा. Examples in the exercise 6.4. Okay, example number 4. Find the distance. Find the distance of the point. Find the distance of the point 4i cap minus 3j cap plus k cap from the plane r bar dot 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap is equal to 21. Okay, here. Now, when the equation of plane in the normal form, the distance of the point A from this plane, it is mod of P minus A bar dot n cap. It is the distance of the point from the plane P minus A bar dot n bar. But here the given equation of plane is not in the normal form. here given equation of plane is r bar dot 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap is equal to 21. Okay, therefore n bar is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap. Therefore magnitude of n bar is equal to under root of 2 square plus 3 square plus minus 6 square. Okay. And then it is 36 plus 4, 49. It is a 49, therefore it is 7. Okay. Here it is a magnitude of n bar. Therefore equation of plane in a normal form. Plane in normal form. Here r bar dot 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap upon magnitude of n bar is equal to 21 upon magnitude of n bar, that is r bar dot 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap upon 7 is equal to 21 upon 7, and 21 upon 7 it is a 3. Okay, and therefore n cap is equal to minus 6k cap upon 7 and p is equal to 3. Here see carefully, it is a p is equal to 3, it is n cap. Now distance of this point. Therefore distance of point a bar, it is 4i cap minus 3j cap plus k cap from plane is p minus a bar dot n cap. Therefore p, it is a 3 minus a, it is a 4i cap minus 3j cap plus k cap dot 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap upon 7. Okay, here p minus a bar dot n cap. Okay, now we take the dot product and take the calculation. It is a 3 minus, first we take the dot product, 4 into 2 8 minus 9 and minus 6 upon 7. Then 3 minus, see carefully here, 8 minus 9, 8 minus 9, it is minus 1, minus 1 minus 6, it is minus 7, minus 7 upon this, it is a minus 1. Okay, and therefore it is a 4 units. It is a distance of a point from plane, it is a 4 units. Here we reduce this plane in the normal form and then find the distance of the plane from point. Okay, now we can solve this example by another method. Okay, that is, we cannot be reduced in the normal form, we can directly distance of the point from the plane. Okay, by using the first formula, that is mod of a bar dot n bar minus d upon magnitude of n bar. Okay, here see carefully, first see carefully this. Okay, okay, check calculations. Okay, this example we can solve by other method. Here here it is given n bar and given point. Four I cap minus 3j cap plus k cap. Therefore distance of point this from plane. Okay. Here distance it is a bar dot n bar minus d, where it is a d, okay, upon magnitude of n bar. And now we take the calculations. A bar 4i cap minus 3j cap plus k cap dot n bar 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 3k cap, sorry, 2i cap 3j cap minus 6k cap, and minus it is a 21, and whole to the upon it is under root magnitude of n bar, magnitude of this n bar, it is a 2 square plus 3 square and plus minus 6 square. Now take the calculation. 4 into 2 it is 8, minus 3 into 3 it is minus 9, 1 into it is a minus 6, and minus 21, and whole to the upon, here it is a 7, okay. And then here again minus 1 minus 7, see carefully, minus 7 minus 21, minus 7 minus 21 minus 28 upon 7, and that is mod of minus 4, and therefore distance it is 4 units, okay. It is a distance of the point from the plane, okay. Here this is the vector method असेल. पण पहिल्या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये काय केलं आपण, म्हणजे पहिल्या सोल्युशनमध्ये वेक्टरला इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेनला इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन इन अ नॉर्मल फॉर्ममध्ये रिड्यूस केला आणि देन डिस्टन्स काढलं, ओके. हे डायरेक्ट डिस्टन्स काढलं, केअरफुली पहा. नाव द सेकंड एक्झाम्पल. Example number 5. Find the distance of the point 1, 1, minus 1 from the plane from the plane 3x plus 4y minus 12z plus 20 is equal to 0. Okay. Now the given equation is in the Cartesian form. Given plane, it is 3x plus 4y minus 12z plus 20 is equal to 0. Therefore vector equation of plane is here. Coefficient of x, y, z are the components of the normal. Therefore r bar dot 3i cap plus 4j cap and minus 12k cap plus 20 is equal to 0. Okay, this plus 20 we can write here. Okay. Now the distance of the plane from the point 1, 1 and minus 1. Now here n bar is equal to 3i cap plus 4j cap minus 12k cap. Therefore the magnitude of n bar under root of 3 square plus 4 square and plus minus 12 square, and here it is 144 and it is at 25, 169, that is 13. Okay, here under root of 169 it is a 13, it is a magnitude. Then equation of plane in a normal form, equation of this plane in a normal form. Okay. Then here equation of plane in a normal form, r bar dot 3i cap plus 4j cap minus 12k cap upon magnitude of n bar. Then 3 3 I cap plus upon 13 is equal to minus 20 upon 13. Okay. Now here n bar is equal to, sorry, it is now n cap. N cap is equal to 3 I cap plus 4 j cap minus 12 k cap upon 13, and P is equal to minus 20 upon 13. Okay, and then equation of plane, sorry, distance of a plane, distance of point 1 1 minus 1, that is distance of point A bar is equal to I cap plus j cap minus k cap is P minus A bar dot n cap, and then it is P minus 20 upon 13 minus A bar I cap plus j cap minus k cap dot 3 I cap plus 4 j cap minus 12 k cap upon 13. Okay, and then minus 20 upon 13 minus, take the dot product, 3 plus 4 and plus 12, 3 plus 4 and it is plus 12 upon 13. Now it is minus 20 upon 13 and minus, here it is a 7, okay, 7, it is a 19 upon 13, and then it is minus 39 upon 13, and that is minus 3, and therefore it is a distance, it is a 3 units. Okay, here it is a distance of the 3 unit, it is a distance of a point from plane. Okay, here it is the equation of the Cartesian form we convert into vector form, this equation convert into the normal form. Okay, but we can solve this example directly. Here this example can be solved directly. It is equation of plane. Okay, ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Here distance of point 1 1 minus 1 from plane is ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d upon under root of a square plus b square plus c square. It is a distance. Now here a b c x y z replaced by x1 y1 z1, it is x1 y1 z1. Therefore 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1 minus 12 into minus 1 and plus 20 upon under root of here 3 square plus 4 square plus minus 12 square. Okay, and then calculation is 3, see carefully, 3 plus 4 7 plus 12, it is a 19, and 19 plus 20, 19 plus 20, it is a 39 upon, it is a 13, and then it is 3 units. Okay, here this example can be solved by directly Cartesian method. Okay, first in the normal form, this equation convert into vector form, and then convert into normal form, and then find the equation of distance of the point from the plane. This in this form we can directly calculate by using the Cartesian formula. Okay, this example also can solve by using the vector method without converting it in the normal form. Okay, we see. Okay, check this also. In the exam we can solve by the vector method, okay, in the normal form. Okay, here the vector equation. The vector equation, it is r bar dot 3i cap plus 4j cap minus 12k cap plus 20. We can write it is a minus 20. Okay, therefore n bar is equal to 3i cap plus 4j cap minus 12k cap and d is equal to minus 20. Therefore distance of a point 1 1 minus 1, that is I cap plus j cap minus k cap from plane. It is a bar dot n bar minus d upon magnitude of n bar, and then it is a bar it is I cap plus j cap minus k cap dot n bar 3i cap plus 4j cap minus 12k cap minus d it is a minus 20 upon magnitude of n bar. It is a n bar, magnitude of n bar is a 3 square plus 4 square plus minus 12 square, and then it is, take the calculation, it is a 3 plus 4 plus 12 plus 20 upon 13, and again it is 3 units. Okay, here it is a distance of the point from the plane. Okay, तीन मेथड आहेत, पण बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेत एकच यूज करा. ऑब्जेक्टिव्हसाठी म्हणजेच CET-साठी तुम्ही कोणतीही मेथड यूज केली तरी चालते, फक्त ॲन्सर काढायचं आणि जी सोपी वाटते ती काढा. कार्टेशियन दिलेलं असलं तर कार्टेशियन फॉर्म्युला पाठ करा, ते सोपं आहे. व्हेक्टर फॉर्म्युला दिलं असलं तर हा सोपा आहे. नॉर्मल फॉर्ममध्ये रिड्यूसच करू नका, डायरेक्ट या फॉर्म्युल्यातल्या आणि या फॉर्म्युल्याच काढा. आणि बोर्डाच्या एक्झाममध्ये तुम्ही नॉर्मल फॉर्म म्हणजे व्हेक्टर मेथडनं सॉल्व करा. नॉर्मल फॉर्मनंच सॉल्व करा असं काही नाही, या व्हेक्टर मेथडनं सॉल्व केलं तरी चालतंय, पण शक्यतो नॉर्मल फॉर्म घ्या. ओके, या मेथडनं सॉल्व केलं तरी ॲन्सर तेच येणार. ओके, कार्टेशियन दिलेलं असलं डायरेक्ट कार्टेशियन फॉर्म्युला यूज करा, डायरेक्ट कॅल्क्युलेशन. ओके, नॉर्मल फॉर्ममध्ये रिड्यूस न करता पण व्हेक्टर मेथड ए बार डॉट एन बार मायनस डी अपॉन इट इज मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ एन बार. पण आपल्या टेक्स्टबुकमध्ये नॉर्मल फॉर्मनुसारच दिलेले आहेत, त्याच्यामुळे शक्यतो नॉर्मल फॉर्मचीच व्हेक्टर मेथड यूज करा. ही व्हेक्टर मेथड यूज केली तरी मार्क मिळतात. ओके, मार्क कटत नाहीत या व्हेक्टर मेथडनं सॉल्व केले तरी. ओके, बोर्डाच्या पुस्तकात नॉर्मल फॉर्म दिलेली, नॉर्मल फॉर्मनं सॉल्व करा. या मेथडनं लिहिले तरी मार्क कटत नाहीत, पण व्हेक्टर मेथड कार्टेशियन दिलेलं. ओके, कार्टेशियन मेथडनं सॉल्व करू नका. बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेसाठी कार्टेशियन जरी दिलेलं असलं तरी व्हेक्टर मेथड यूज करा, ही यूज करा किंवा नॉर्मल. ओके, केअरफुली पहा.